सरहदें खोल दो, सरहदें खोल दो, सरहदें खोल दो, सरहदें खोल दो, सरहदें खोल दो. Open the boundaries, open the boundaries, open the boundaries, open the boundaries. Passports and visas have enchained the people since 1920. All the ways of progress are restrained, and frozen are the wheels of economy. Costliness is killing the ordinaries. Open the boundaries. May your countries live long. Till the end, we don't bother. The rulers may play political ping pong, and in that madness get stronger. But the limitations must not be for the ordinaries. Open the boundaries. When animals have no borders, for the birds and fish, the world extends to their view, then why the human race is enchained in the political deviant orders? Common is our pain, but who bothers? Open the boundaries and break the borders. Whether Asia or America, Adam's children are one race. The Holy Quran gives permission for the migration. The poverty will face the end and termination. The earth of God is vast to keep pace. If you are weak or oppressed, you should opt migration. Make the borders open. The wars making enough disaster, destroying the fields of a peasant. The population problems that alter the economy in a way unpleasant. These all are artificial phenomena. Come out of such a self-imposed prison. Make the borders open. The events of life may get easy to lead. The rich class would perish on earth. The capitalism would have an end with all its seed. In peace, the human race will have a new birth, equality, sharing all the facilities. Open the boundaries. The human race will have a new birth, equally sharing all the facilities. Open the boundaries. God has made this world for all to be equally and commonly shared. Hence, for all, whether big or small, let everyone be equally cared for a new era of life, for the sake of knowledge and intellectual queries. Open the boundaries, open the boundaries, open the boundaries, open the boundaries, open the boundaries.